Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about biology. Introduction of biology. Science is a study in which observations are made, experiments are drawn, and logical conclusions are drawn in order to understand the principle of nature. In ancient time, scientific information was not classified into different branches as it exists today. All the specific information was included under one head, science. With the passage of time, specific information increased manifolds, and this enormous scientific knowledge was then classified into different branches like biology, physics, chemistry, mathematics, etc. Biology is the scientific study life. The word biology has been derived from two Greek words called bios and meaning life and logos meaning throughout thought or reasoning. In the course of biology we will study how man has thought about living things. To understand and appreciate nature, it is essential to study the structure, functions and related aspects of living organisms. The study of living organisms also provided information and remedies to human nature regarding health, food and environment. Then divisions and branches of biology. There are three major division of biology which study different aspects of lives of major group of organisms. Number one is zoology. The division of biology deal with study of animals. Botany, the division of biology which deal with the study of plants. Microbiology, the division of biology deal with study of microorganisms such as bacteria. In order to study all aspects of life, these divisions are further divided into four branches as defined below. Morphology, this branch study with form and structure of living organisms. Then anatomy, the study of internal structure is called anatomy. Histology, the microscopic study of tissue is called histology. Cell biology, its study structure and function of cell and cell organelles is called cell biology. This branch is also deal with the study of cell division. Physiology, the branch deal with the study of function of different parts of living organisms. Then there is branch called genetics, the study of genes and their rules of inheritance called genetics. Inheritance means transmission of characteristics from one generation to the other. Embryology, it is a study of development of embryo to new development individual. Then there is a branch called taxonomy. It is a study of naming and classification of organisms into groups and subgroups. Then there is paleontology. It is study of fossils which are remain extinct organisms. Relation of biology with other sciences. The interrelation among different branches of science cannot be denied. Biology includes information of various aspects of living things, but these information related to the other branches of science as well. Each branch of science has a relation with all other branches. For example, when studying the process of movement in animal, the biologists have to refer the law of motion in physics. This forms the base of interdisciplinary science. Biophysics, it deals with the study of principles of physics which are applicable to biological phenomena. For example, there is similarities between the working principle of layer in physics and limbs of animals in biology. Biochemistry, it deals with the study of chemistry of different compounds and processes occurring in organisms. For example, the study of basic metabolism and of photosynthesis and respiration involves the knowledge of chemistry. Biomathematics or biometry, it deals with the study of biological process using mathematical techniques and tools. For example, to analyze the data gathered after experimental work, biologists have applied the rules of mathematics. Then the career in biology. It is essential that students today who will occupy position in leadership tomorrow have the background of modern and forward-looking branches of science. An accurate and modern knowledge of biology will promote a comparison of both science and scientific research projects. It will benefit the learner in diverse life of career. The following are the careers that a student of biology can plan to adopt: medicines or surgery. The profession of medicine deal with the diagnosis and treatment of disease in human. In surgery, the part of body may be repaired, replaced or removed. For example, the removal of stones through renal surgery, transplantation of kidney, liver, etc. Both these professions are studied in same basic course MBBS, then students go for specializations. Fisheries. Fisheries is a professional study of fish production. They are department in Pakistan where professional fisheries are employed. They serve for enhancing the quality and quantity of fish production. In Pakistan, this profession can be adopted after the bachelor or master level study of zoology and fisheries. Agriculture. This profession deals with food crops and animals which are source of food, and agriculturists work for betterment of crop like wheat, rice and corn. Animal like buffaloes, cow, etc. from which we get food. In Pakistan, there are many universities which offer professional courses on agriculture after the higher secondary education in biology. Animal husbandry. It is a branch of agriculture concerned with care and breeding of domestic animals like cattle, sheep, etc. Professional courses in animal husbandry can be adopted after the higher secondary education in biology. Horticulture. It deals with the art of gardening, and a horticulturist work for the betterment of existing varieties and for production of new varieties of ornamental plants and fruit plants. Biology student can adopt this profession after the higher secondary education. And there is a profession called farming. It deals with the development and maintenance of different types of farm. For example, in some farms, animal breeding technology are used for production of animal which are better protein and milk sources. In poultry farm, chicken and eggs are produced. Similarly, in fruit farm, different fruit yielding plants are grown. A student who has gone through the professional course of agriculture, animal husbandry and fisheries, etc. can adopt this profession. There is another profession called forestry. In forestry, profession like after natural forest advises the government of planting and growing artificial forest. Many universities offer professional courses in forestry after the higher education in biology, after bachelor level of zoology and botany. Then there are Muslim scientists have made great and contribute to study the science, and we are aware of their success of different fields of science. Here we summarize the work Jabir bin Hayyan, Abdul Malik Kasmai and Abu Ali Sina in the development of present day knowledge of plants and animals. Jabir bin Hayyan. He was born in Iran and practiced medicine in Iraq. He introduced experiment investigation in chemistry and also wrote a number of books on animals and plants. His famous books are Al-Nabatat and Al-Haywan. Abdul Malik Kasmai. He is considered the first Muslim scientist who studied animal in detail. His first famous writings include Al-Abil, Al-Khail, Al-Wahush and Khalq al-Insan. Then Abu Ali Sina. He is honored as a founder of medicine and called the Avicenna in the West. He was physician, philosopher and astronomer and poet. One of his books, Quran al-Qanun al-Fil Muttalib, is known as Qanun of Medicine in West. Then there is the level of organizations. In order to understand the various phenomena of life biology student organization at different level such as subatomic and atomic level. All type of matter are made of elements, and each element contain some kind of atoms, and the atom are actually made of subatomic particles. The most stable subatomic particle are electron, proton and neutrons. Out of the 92 kinds of elements that occur in nature, 16 are the bioelements. These take part in making the body mass of living organisms. Out of the bioelements make 99% of total mass. Other 10 collectively make 0.1% of the total mass. Thank you so much for watching my video. Today's lecture has been ended.